You can use Voyant via your browser. To import your text, you can either copy and paste the whole document to the box and save your text as supported file format. For instance, text. The text will be imported to Voyant and automatically analyzed. To get familiar yourself with the interface, you look at the four main icons to command. First thing first, looking at the stop words. The common words, for instance, I, you, we, they. If the stop words are not included, in this case, we see several that's or I am, etc., etc. Please add them to the list of stop words and to make sure that we have a meaningful analysis without interference of unimportant words. Now we see the differences. Second, looking at the summary where they summarize the characteristic of the text. Third, examine the correlations between two words. Correlations mean that these two terms will appear or disappear together, be mentioned or not together. They relate to each other. Fourth, choose one frequently used word to examine its distribution. Times it is mentioned across the document. For instance, jobs, it was dominantly mentioned at the beginning of the speech. Fifth, heading back to the source, which give us a word cloud based on frequently used terms. We have a list of counts, times mentioned. Now I need you to export these. For searchers, please choose the narrow up icon for exporting. Choose export visualization, export a PNG, and choose a scaling of 5. So we have a big HD photo. Right-click your mouse and save. Later, insert it to your report. For terms, again, click the icon, choose Export Current Data, choose Tab Separated Values Text, the last option. It shows a new window. Choose the first 10 words on columns and copy. Then open your Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel and paste them. Use Ctrl-Shift-V or for Windows computer or Command-Shift-V for Mac. I just need the first 3 columns. Similar with the trends or words distribution graphic and columns for correlations. Lastly, you can see the main topics of the text that will not include in your report. You can choose the number of topics and words that represent that topic.